looking over there like she sees
My
something.
lovely friend.
I don't know. No, not the pumpkins. It would be people.
Oh,
She
look
doesn't
how
care about
pretty it
pumpkins.
is.
He has a ranch there.
What do you feed her?
Does grapes.
Well, 80% of her diet is what the pellets they make for parrots. And she'll eat like from the farmer's market. She'll eat like English peas or.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
I always carry a banana for her because it's something that's portable.
Oh, okay. Oh, how much can she eat though? Banana.
They eat very little. They eat frequently, but they eat very little. I got itchies.
It's a lot better than having a lizard. We have a lizard. I had to feed them live insect. You know.
She doesn't want anything alive. I don't think.
And all that garbage.
Sandra.
No, she's very sweet.
Come here a minute.
Aren't you?
Dad.
You're the sweetest little thing.
Sure, he knows everybody.
She's very interested in everything that goes on.
So she lost naturally hair? How long she
Feathers?
usually? Yeah.
More than likely, most of the time she has some areas that don't have feathers at the time. Because she's always molting. That's like shedding. That's like shedding. So she's always getting new feathers. She sold us our house. Does she feel heavy?
Yeah.
Really?
You're nervous. That's
Yeah,
why.
'cause I was going to say, she doesn't weigh very much. She only weighs like a pound. She's very comfortable with you. She's busy braiding her feathers. Turn around, sweetie. Turn around. You want a rock? Come here.
No.
She's like, well, what do you want?
Oh my God.
Hi, Kim. He's cute.
Please don't pull on me.
She won't pull on you.
She's a lady. Oh my God! Look how cute it is.
Terminal, she'll always be like between 2 and 5, you know.
What's up?
Yeah. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at you.
Oh my
Look
God.
at you.
She likes young boy.
Huh? Oh, she really likes you.
She likes you.